Formulas in Excel can be finicky, and they often can be edited in error. In this week's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to lock formulas in Excel. Let's take a look. By default, the locked option is turned on for all cells on any Excel worksheet, whether an existing or a new one. Before we can lock our formulas, we need to unlock the full sheet. To do so, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select your whole sheet. Right-click on any cell and choose Format Cells from the menu. In the new dialog box that appears, click on the Protection tab. Uncheck the locked option and click OK. This will unlock all the cells in your worksheet. We are now going to select the cells with formulas we want to protect. In the Home tab, click the Find and Select and choose Go to Special. In the box that appears, select the Formulas option and click OK. All of the cells in your worksheet that have formulas in them will now be selected. Right-click on one of the selected cells and choose Format Cells. In the Protection tab, check the Locked option and click OK. We still have one more step, as the locked attribute has no effect unless the worksheet is protected. To protect the sheet, navigate to the Review tab on the top toolbar. Choose Protect Sheet. A new dialog box will appear. Enter a password you like to use for your sheet and make sure to record it somewhere safe. Below you have options for the actions that are allowed in your worksheet without the password. By default, only the top two are selected, but if you want to grant other permissions, you can do so here. Click OK. The Confirm Password box will appear and ask you to retype the password. Click OK. Your Excel formulas are now locked and protected. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.